Father Raymond left us something valuable, the value of silence. Let us pause for a moment and preserve this moment quietly for the Lord and meditate on the beautiful mysteries that we have received today. And also the blessings, even the presence that has given us, and also the salvation, and also the beautiful feeling that we have during this Holy Mass. Let us pause for a while, thanking the Lord, and wait for the rest of this. With the song of the Blessed Mother,